Good morning, folks. My name is Scott Goldstein. I am a bankruptcy attorney. I practice in New York and New Jersey. Today's video is about what to do if you are of a certain age and in debt. Now, if you've got assets, then you have to deal with it because assets are subject to levy, seizure, other bad things. If you have a house, the creditor can put a judgment against it. If you have money in bank accounts, those accounts can be levied. But increasingly, I get calls from people who are beyond the age of Social Security receipt. They don't own a house. They don't even own a car. But they're deeply in debt, and they're getting collection calls. What should they do? The first thing you need to understand is that if you are of a certain age and you don't have any assets and the only thing you have is your Social Security money coming in every month, that money is legally protected from levy and attachment under the Social Security Act. So if you have Social Security, you cannot be garnished directly, and your accounts, to the extent the money in it is just from Social Security and it's not commingled with anything else, that money is also protected in the account in which it's initially deposited. So if your money goes into your checking account, that account cannot be garnished for the amount of Social Security that's in it. So what do you do with all these collectors? Quite frankly, if it's a collection agency, the easiest thing to do is say something to the effect of, I'm on Social Security, I have no money, don't call me. And under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, a creditor that is told, a collection agency that is told, don't call me, can't call you anymore. They have to note the file and they have to cease their contact. The most they can ever do is give you a call to make sure they have the correct contact information. That's it. And you're done. If you are in the situation where you don't have assets, there's nothing against your estate because your estate's going to be broke already. There's no money there. They can't levy or attach. There's nothing there. So my strong suggestion in those situations is maybe you don't need to file for bankruptcy. Just move on. Obviously, there's a certain level of peace of mind that some people will have or want from paying their debts or eliminating them, and that's a reason. But if you're just calling to talk to a bankruptcy lawyer about stopping the phone calls, you may not need to file and you could use your money for something else. My name is Scott Goldstein. I'm a bankruptcy attorney in New York and New Jersey. My contact information is at the end of this video. If you want to hear more bankruptcy tips or other financial information, please like or subscribe. And if you really need help, give me a call. Have a great day.